Hi, this is my second video on masking, okay, and I'm still in the first um, mask group or mask setup, okay? And as you saw before, hey, the circle, when I go don't mask this layer, becomes the becomes part of an outside mask. And what I mean by that is that this square here, hey, is the mask, but the circle gets masked when it passes behind the square. So if I render this, okay, this is masking the circle. Now you could say, well, okay, you could just put it behind that, the square, okay, and it's going to be masked anyway. So why would you want outside mask? Well, let's take a look at, come on. Okay, here we go, an outside mask. So anyway, here's an outside mask. And what I mean by that is that if I render this, the deer, okay, stands in front of the star, and the star is on the outside, so therefore it's an outside mask. And the way it's done is normally the mask layer is on the bottom, and you can see I have this subtract from mask. This layer will be invisible. Also, you got to remember is that this is on a reveal all, not a hide all. So the star's the layer that's going to go behind the deer, and here's the mask. The deer itself, okay, in this image, doesn't get masked at all, okay, and so it can be here also, and it still works because just the way the masking works, okay, because it's not, okay. And so if you have an image and you want stuff to fly behind it, you'd want an outside mask. It's just so easier than trying to mask out everything in an inside mask. It can get crazy. And of course, if you if this was done by an inside mask, okay, with a hide all and the mask on the bottom, you'd get something like this, where the deer now accepts it, and as the star moves away from the deer, it disappears. So that's the difference when I'm talking about inside and outside masks. And of course, what you have to do for an outside mask is remember that you need to be on a reveal all, and your mask should be subtract from this mask. This layer will be invisible. Well, that will give you the outside mask. Okay, I'm done with inside and outside masks. Okay, and next we're going to go into masking that's an overlay, or what I call an overlay. And it's basically overlays will be inside mask, hey, that basically move and do combinations of masking. Thanks for watching. Take this off.